Jai Hind guys, today we will discuss important current affair of 14th August. In this video, we will cover some facts of current affair MCQs and some static GK, which is important for your upcoming examination. Let's start. The government of India has allocated around rupees 8,146.21 crore rupees for the Tato second hydroelectric project, which is launched in Arunachal Pradesh. It is around 700 megawatt and it will be built on river Yarjep River. Okay, so that project name is Tato second hydroelectric project. Okay, so if we talk about the current capacity of India's hydroelectric project is 49,000 plus megawatt. Okay, it is important. So if we talk about Arunachal Pradesh has declared a decade of hydropower plant 2025. Arunachal Pradesh declared the decade of hydropower plant in 2025. ICC Men's Player of Month Award for July 2025 goes to Shubman Gill. ICC Men's Player of the Month for 2025 July. Second consecutive year in 15 Junior National Women's Hockey Championship, which is organized in Andhra Pradesh. Its winner is Hockey Jharkhand. So Hockey Jharkhand win the 15 Junior National Women's Hockey Championship, which is organized in Andhra Pradesh. India's Port Bill 25 passed has replaced which act? So India's Port Bill 25 replaced India Port Bill 1908. Okay, India Ports Bill 2025. Catalyst cell launched by which state to improve the ease of doing business? That is Karnataka. Catalyst cell will launch Karnataka, okay, for ease of doing business. India's first commercial satellite constellation will be built by how many private firms? That is 4th. India's first commercial satellite will be built by 4 private firms. E20 petrol contains 20% of which chemical mixed with petrol? Recently, E20 petrol is in news. Its 20% contained is ethanol. Ethanol is a mixture of sugarcane, maize, etc. It's called ethanol blending, which is mixed with petrol around 20%, which is good for our environment, eco-friendly environment. So 20% contains ethanol. Ethanol formula is C2H6O. Okay. Amrabad Tiger Reserve, located in Telangana. Recently, Amrabad Tiger Reserve is in news. That's why we will cover it. So, Amrabad Tiger Reserve in Telangana. Brand ambassador for Orisian Handloom declared Madhuri Dixit. So, Madhuri Dixit will promote Orisian Handloom. World Organ Donation Day celebrated on 13th August. World Organ Donation Day. If we talk about the National Organ Donation Day, it is celebrated on 3 August. So its theme is answering the call. World Organ Donation Day. Theme is answering the call. Celebrated on 13th August. Okay. Now we will cover some MCQs of current affair. Maharashtra has declared 14th August as which Remembrance Day? Partition of Holocaust Remembrance Day. On 14th August 2025, the MP government disbursed funds under which scheme? That is Chief Minister Kisan Kalyan Yojana. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister transferred the second installment worth rupees 17,500 crore to farmers under the CM Kisan Kalyan Yojana, which aims to provide direct financial support to farmers. The Bhojpur Temple Cleanliness Drive aligned with which theme? That is Azadi Ka Utsav Sach Ke Sang. Now we will cover some static GK. Today we will cover some important schemes under the Ministry of Education. Midday meal, which is renamed as PM Poshan, launched in 1995 as a national program of nutrition support to primary education. Okay, renamed in 2021. Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan launched in 2018, Integrated Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan 2001, RMSA 2009, and Teacher Education 1987. It is an integrated program. That is Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan 2018. Nipun Bharat Mission launched in 2021, Foundation Literacy and Numeracy. PM Shri School launched in 2022. National Mains Cum Matrix Scholarship NMMSS launched in 2008. Shala Siddhi National Program on School Standard and Evaluation launched in 2015. Operation Digital Board launched in 2019. Vidyanjali, that is School Volunteer Program, launched in 2016, relaunched with the new features in 2021. PM eVidya, that is One Nation, One Digital Platform TV channels, that is launched in 2020. Higher Education and Technical Education. RUSHA, that is Rashtriya Uchchatar Shiksha Abhiyan, launched in 2013. Institution of Eminence, launched in 2017. Imprint, that is Impacting Research, Innovation and Technology, launched in 2015. GIAN, Global Initiative for Academic Network, launched in 2015. Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, launched in 2014. SWAYAM, launched in 2016. Full Rollout, launched in 2017. NIRF, National Institutional Ranking Framework, launched in 2015. National Digital Library of India, launched in 2015. AICTE Pragati Scholarship, launched in 2014 for for promoting the girls in technical education. AICTE launched in 2014 Saksham Scholarship Program. Apprenticeship for Students, launched in 2019. Shreyas launched in 2019. So guys, we just have completed some important current affair of 14th August. In this video, we have covered some facts of current affair MCQ, and some static GK, which is important for the upcoming examination. So if you like this video, hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.